Hello viewer, I am Vivas Malik and in this video I will share with you a new latest method how you can get free credit in a Studio DID account. Many people told me that we can't create a account Studio DID from temp or any mail, and if somehow we can create an account but we can't get free credit for. In this video I will share with you a new method how you can get free 20 credit in a Studio DID. Before I start the tutorial, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel to reach first 1000 subscriber. And here I have a video created for you. I have created a video for you, that is how can you create AI image generated. Here you can see, and how you can create unlimited shorts video in just 10 minutes. Here you can see by Canva. Let's start the tutorial. First go to Google and search Studio DID. After that you will land here. Otherwise, somehow you can also do it, create a video or create a video. Here you can see, just go to open this, and here you will see login and sign up button. Click on here, and we want to first sign up. For this, here I am using this emailnator.com. I will select this Gmail domain, then generate new. Click on go. Simply copy then paste here. Type your password. If you are a first viewer, you can copy this email and password. Click on continue. Save. Sorry, I don't. Here you can see the verification link is sended. Reload this page. Close this ad. For this you can use any another temp also, but this is the only temp services from where you can get Gmail account. Click on confirm my account. It provide you a Gmail address, not a temp mail, so most of the time I use this. Here you can see 20 credit left. If you can't create an account by email email, and if you somehow create an account but you don't get credit, then I will suggest you to try VPN, that is Toxlot VPN, or you can also use Urban VPN. These two VPN are free and completely free, and these two VPN are very good. You can try this VPN, Urban VPN and Toxlot VPN. Here you can see 20 credit. By this you can create 5-minute video. Here you can see create your first video in a 5 second. You can create videos from here, and you can create unlimited account by this way also. If you found this video is helpful, then please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and also like this video. And I will suggest you to only use this email letter here. In this email, here you can see you can get .gmail also. Click on generate new. Here you can see, and other temp mail services are provide you just a temp mail. Here you can see all email at Gmail original mail. So use this, sign up for this email, and you will get easily 20 credit. Here you can see sorry, here you can see 20 credit left. Thank you for watching this video.